I got this really beautiful pan today at Sam's Club, and I figured I would share it with you guys. I got it for just a few cents shy of 60 bucks. I saw it the other day, didn't buy it, and I had a lot of regrets. So I ran in today hoping they would still have it, and they only had one in this beautiful powder blue. The brand is Tramontina. I don't know if that's Italian or Spanish or what, but it's fun to say. This is the box that it came in. It's a 5-quart or 4.7 liter 5-piece set. It comes with a trivet, the pan, a stainless steel steamer insert, the lid, and a bamboo spatula. All the information is here on the back there, and it is a Sam's Club exclusive. Like I said, that's where I got it for just about 60 bucks. We open the box. It is not taped or anything. It's just glued a little bit. Easy to open. Take out all of the packing gear here, and we have a little booklet that gives us information on the lifetime warranty that you get on it, which is nice, and it's also got the care instructions for the pan, the bamboo trivet, and the bamboo spatula. So that's pretty straightforward stuff that you'll find with any pan set that you get. And then take off more of the packaging here. I really like the lid. It is oven safe. It's not rubber. It's all metal, and it doesn't wiggle or anything, so that's nice. And take out more of the packaging here. This is the stainless steel steamer. We'll get a better look at that in just a minute. More cardboard, more plastic, and this is the bamboo trivet. I like how it's angled up on the ends so that you don't have to worry about any scorching or anything. So it's not making full contact. That's nice. More plastic, more cardboard. And I don't know if you've ever rubbed your hand along a brand new ceramic coating on a pan. It's one of the best feelings in the world. It is a pretty substantial pan, 13 inches across. And I think the bottom is gorgeous. I know I'm weird, but this might be my favorite part of the pan. It also has a pour spout on both sides of the pan, and then again the lid has the same ceramic coating on the inside, the non-stick. It fits perfectly on there. We must free the spatula. I really like this spatula too. I don't usually use wooden utensils, but this one is nice. It has good balance to it, and I like how it's curved at the end there so you can actually scoop stuff up with it. I haven't used it yet. Once I do that, I will share my review with you guys. But as far as an aesthetic point of view, I really love this pan, and I am glad I got it.